unspoken words I cannot share. Love you loud but you can't hear, caged inside this crystal sphere. Smiling wide but tears will flow, holding tight, won't let it show. I love waiting in the shade, hidden where our dreams are made. Every glance a quiet shout, the secret I can't let out. I love quietly in the shade, hidden where our dreams are made. Every glance a quiet shout, this secret I can't let out. I love waiting in the shade, hidden where our dreams are made. Every glance a quiet shout, the secret I can't let out. Heartstrings play a whispered tune, soft as twilight's rising moon. Silent letters in the air, unspoken words I cannot share.